Nian Kuai Gong Si Fa Chai. Happy Lunar New Year! This is Chris, your KUYA PANDISOY, and welcome to my channel. Today, I have a very special episode, and this is the first episode of the Where to Eat series. Alright, again, this is the first episode of the Where to Eat series. Welcome, and I'll tour you around the Chinatown Food Street of Singapore. Come join me! Hello! This is Chris, your KUYA PANDISOY, and welcome to my channel. And Happy Chinese New Year to all our Chinese friends. Welcome to Singapore, Chinatown Food Street. Chinatown Food Street Singapore was first set up in 2002, and it is very popular with both locals and tourists. Chinatown Food Street, which was revamped with improvements, includes setting for up to 700, an overhead glass shelter for rain protection, and service hours extended to include all-day dining on a permanently closed-off street. It also now offers a crop of hawker stalls chosen by local food service providers. Come and visit Chinatown, Singapore. Come and join me as I tour you around the whole Chinatown Food Street of Singapore. Come, let's enjoy! Alright, this is Singapore Chinatown Food Street. Yay! Happy Lunar New Year! This is the place that you can find all those local foods na gusto mong kainin dito sa Singapore. From sweets, local delights, local foods, lahat-lahat nandito na. Kaya come and visit Chinatown Food Street Singapore. Yan. This is on the other side ng street. Yan. Of course, yung Tiger Beer. Yan. Para sa mga gustong uminom. Yes! And of course, there are restaurants on the other side kasi puno siya ng mga shop houses on both sides, and lahat po ng sides, on both sides are restaurants. Yan, mga magagandang restaurant that you could also enjoy sumptuous food. Alright, let's explore more! marami ka rin makikita dito ng mga mural, ng mga street art. It's just only at the street. And pwede ka makapag-selfie, kaya come on down! Dito mo rin matitikman ang masasarap na street food ng Singapore. Ayan, like this, roasted chestnut, at saka kung ano-ano pa. Kaya, ang sarap! Sobrang sarap. At kung nauuhaw ka naman, marami ding mga inumin na pwede mong bibilhin nandyan lang sa gilid. Right! Come and check it out! More and more and more and more! Thank you so much guys for watching, and I hope you get something and learn something out from this video guide. And I hope you enjoy touring around with me at Chinatown Food Street Singapore. I'll see you again next time in the next adventure, Pandisoy next adventure on the Where to Eat series. Yes, I'll see you again next time, and bye! Bye-bye! Oops! Please do not forget to comment, like, and share. I hope you guys enjoy my video, and I hope to see you next time. And if you haven't subscribed my channel, please do not forget to subscribe my channel by clicking subscribe, and please do not forget to hit the bell button for you to be notified for the upcoming videos. Alright, I'll see you again next time. Bye. This is Chris, your KUYA PANDISOY. Mwah, mwah, mwah. Gongji. 恭喜发财，新年快乐，新年快乐，恭喜发财。Thank you, bye.